Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Settings on your phone and tap Apps or Privacy to begin. Scroll through the app list and find WhatsApp by name. Tap WhatsApp and choose Permissions on the app page to continue. Look for Microphone in the Permissions list and tap it to change the status. Select Allow while using the app or Always Allow to enable recording. Confirm any system prompts that ask to grant microphone access right now. Open the App Store or Google Play and update WhatsApp to the latest version. Older versions may not request or retain microphone permission correctly. After the update, restart your phone to apply permission changes system-wide. Reopen WhatsApp and start a chat where you want to record a message now. The app should show a microphone permission prompt if needed. Accept it. If no prompt appears, revisit settings to verify microphone access is allowed. Open any chat in WhatsApp and locate the microphone icon beside the text field. Press and hold the microphone icon for about 1 second to start recording a voice message. Keep your finger down while speaking and release to stop and send the message immediately. To record hands-free, press the microphone and swipe up to lock recording before speaking. Tap the Cancel X while recording to discard, or tap the Send arrow after stopping.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.